you into the theater. But first, I'd like to explain how we monsters got into this funny business. Hit it! Welcome to Monsters Incorporated. You are now standing inside the premier laugh factory in the monster world. Okay, the only laugh factory in the monster world, but definitely the best. We're home to the funniest monsters that ever roamed Monstropolis. Just a few short years ago, our world was powered by your screams. And we at Monsters Incorporated would go door to door and collect those screams from kids all over the world. It was simple. The more screams from you, the more power for us. But then, I discovered that human laughter was 10 times more powerful than scream. Whoa! So, we got out of the scare business, and now we're making money with the ha-ha. Now this you're gonna love. Instead of sending monsters into your world, I came up with the brilliant idea of the laugh floor, where we invite you into our world, not to be scared, but to laugh. Oh please, don't be scared to laugh. Laugh as if an entire city were depending on it. Because it is. As is my job. No pressure, don't worry.
The Monsters University School! Laughing! Monsters University is training the top laugh makers of tomorrow, today! Monsters learn how to be funny in a safe and nurturing environment where we all care and share together. Offering classes in prop comedy, physical comedy, and even that act jolly. Some MU students have even gone on to become real monsters of comedy. While others, they're just getting started. Knock, knock. Who's there? It's your future. It's your future who? It's your future right here at Monsters University.
All right, this is exciting. We're just about to open the doors to the laugh floor. Bring up the logo, guys! Isn't it great? Yeah, I designed it myself. Okay, here we go. See you inside, everybody!
Wonderful to see you. Thanks for coming. Blah, blah, blah. Hello, I'm Rod. I run things here, so don't get any ideas.
There's a kid out there that got a free hug and now he's gonna buy us all churros. Give it up for the kid in the red hat. He's gonna buy everybody churros. Wow, you are an awesome kid. It's about time you spent your own money and not your parents. Good kid. Hey everybody, I'm Buddy Boyle. I'm one of the fun monsters here. It's my job to tell you about our MC, that's Monster Ceremonies. You guys know him. Round and green with only one eye. Shout out his name! Yeah, Mike Wazowski! Hey, thanks for doing our mic check. Oh, look, we got gigawatts. Hey, that's our job, filling up this tank, you guys. We gotta get it all full of... Uh-oh. This guy needs to dance. You need to dance. Let's go. Yeah! No, you are not done. You are not done. There we go. Now you're done. Give it up for Mr. Dance 2026! Wow, you are awesome. Look at that poor kid's like, what just happened? What just happened? Hey, guys, one more thing. Whenever a funny monster comes out and says, hello, humans, your response, throw your hands up in the air and scream as loud as you can. Okay, let's practice. I'll be the monster. Hello, humans! You guys are awesome. Ross, start the show. These guys are great. Hey, did you see that dancing guy? He got down, then he got up, and then he got down again, and then the baby was like...
See that giant canister? That's when we collect your laughter. The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, we may not have enough power to open the exit doors. I can tell we're off to a great start.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the laugh floor. And now, make some noise for your monster of ceremonies, me, Mike Wazowski. Hello, humans. Very good. I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the laugh floor. Now, if this is your first time in a monster world, there are a few things you should know. Like if I said, you stink to that guy, it would be a compliment. You're welcome, sir. See, now we're at the laughter. So the only one here who might make you scream would be Roz. We like to call Roz the face that launched 1,000 lunches. Hey, why did the chicken cross the road? To get away from Roz! She's up on the screen, isn't she?
Wazowski, you better fill the can this time, or else.
Or else what?
Or else this.
Okay, folks. Phew. Are you ready for our first act? Well, here they are, Mac and Cheese.
Hello, humans! Fantastic.
Hi, everybody. My name is Mac. This is my brother G.
And we're here to tell you a story that will feature a lot of you as a monster.
Oh, except for that guy. He's already a monster. He's a star.
I like him a lot.
Yeah, did you?
All right, stay there, that guy. I will use you some more. Now, this is a tale of two scarers. One, a big hairy scare named Sully.
Sully.
And of course, his best friend, Mike Wazowski.
Look at it. It's Mike. Oh, he's got the one eye and
He's
everything.
all set. He came to rehearsal.
I love that.
All right, now they were living in Monstropolis, which was going through a power crisis.
Oh, no. Everybody said, oh, no.
Not to worry, my friend. You see, it was Sully's job to create screams from power. He did so by making a scary, scary face.
Scary, scary face. Grr. It is scary.
That made everybody scream!
Everybody scream.
Thus restoring power back to Monstropolis.
And everybody said, woohoo. Nice.
Meanwhile, a little girl snuck into the monster world through an open door.
That's right, and her name was...
Oh.
What's the matter?
Why are they booing us?
Are you serious?
I'm serious, they're booing us.
They're not booing us.
We're telling a story, they're booing us.
Don't be too sensitive.
They're going
You're being her name is Boo.
What do you mean? Oh, there she is.
Hi, Boo. They call her Boo because she likes to play peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Do the peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
It's you, peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
She's all peek and no boo.
Oh, she's a rabbit. Peekaboo.
Oh, wow. She bagged a rabbit. That's cool.
Lunch for everybody.
Yes. Yum.
Now, here's the thing. She's adorable, but
Right.
you know who wasn't?
No.
That evil scarer.
Not Randall.
Randall.
Oh, no. You know what Randall could do?
What?
Randall had a superpower. He
No
would
way.
make himself invisible. Go, there you go. Perfect. Wow, that turned into a fight. I didn't
Sure
know.
did. I know my Ren does even well. People push him off a bench.
Yeah.
But he also captured Boo. He tried making Sully to the human world. It said Sully into a huge tizzy.
Huge tizzy.
Huge.
Huge tizzy. Was that the tizzy?
I don't know.
It's like a little frizzy.
You're boring me. Wrap it up.
You gotta go fast. You gotta hurry. You gotta tell a story.
Sully went to a nearby village through a closet, going back into the monster world to try and get Boo back home. Randall chased him on a roller coaster right through the door wall. Boo together. Randall, like exposed wanderers, they all discovered laughter is 10 times more powerful than screams.
That's our story. We did it. That was close. Let's have a round of applause for the people that are possible. Put your hands together for Randall the Invincible. And Joel, he looks okay, right? He's okay. And there's Sally. And Mike with being Mike.
Weren't they great, folks? Weren't they great? Let's see how they did. Oh, ho, ho, ho! 15 gigawatts! Looking good! Okay, this next act is almost as funny as a monkey in a tutu. The monkey wasn't available. He's my buddy. He's your buddy. He's Buddy Boyle!
Okay, everybody, take a deep breath. Here we go. Hello, human! That guy, and I love that you're wearing a seatbelt. Safety first. Hey everybody, I'm Buddy Boyle. Believe it or not, I can read minds. Everyone say, what? I know. I can read the mind of the one person in this room that's thinking, please don't pick me. Hi, I'm Buddy Boyle. What is your name?
Christy.
Correct. Not Christy, it was Christy, right?
Yes.
Sweet, 2 for 2. Christy, don't be screwed. I'm going to read your mind. All you have to do is think of a number, Christy. You're going to say your number out loud for the audience to hear. I'm going to guess it. I'm going to get it right, Christy. And then guess what?
What?
Free churros from that kid. Christy, do you have a number?
Yes.
Say your number out loud for the audience to hear, Christy. I will close my eyes so I cannot hear you, Christy. My eyes are closed. I cannot hear you, Christy. Say your number when you're ready.
11.
This is Christy's number. Everybody listen to Christy's number. Go for it, Christy.
11.
This is your moment. Listen to Christy. I can't hear you. My eyes are closed. Go ahead, Christy. Whenever you want to.
11.
Christy's family. Listen to her for the first time in your lives. Here we go. Okay, I gotta stand up. I can't breathe. Christy, did you say your number? Does everybody know Christy's number? Yes. Oh, good. Christy, concentrate on your number. Concentrate. Oh, that's good. No, okay. Look up. Look at me. Look at me. We gotta make a connection. Can you put your hands on your head and lift 2 fingers like they're antennas? Yes, you can. Look at you. All right, now repeat after me, Christy. Beep, 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 beep. Keep going. We're almost there. Keep going. Yeah, more. Yeah. Can you be louder? Louder? I said louder, not angrier, Christy. Wait, was your number 11?
Yes.
We did it! Give it up for Christy and I'm going to give those chills.
Roz, why did you do that? You got it right!
Oops, my finger slipped.
Well, look at that, Roz. The can's half full.
Looks half empty to me. Face it, Wazowski, you'll never fill that can.
Oh, yes, we will. Right, guys?
Just fill the can. But remember, I'm watching. Always watching.
I'm watching, always watching. I'm Roz, and I've got a mole on my
I can still hear you.
Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, performing the jokes you just sent in, my nephew, Marty Wazowski!
Hello, humans! Hi, everyone. My name's Marty Wazowski. I'll come back and give you the jokes you guys texted in. First up, we got Big Red from St. Louis, Missouri. I worked at the calendar factory, but I got fired for taking a couple days off. Whoops, there goes Christmas. And this one comes in from Charlie from St. Louis, Missouri. I couldn't believe my dad got fired from stealing from the road crew. But when I got home, all the signs were there. So he did. Taylor's from Alabama. Why shouldn't you trust trees? Everybody say why. Why? Because they seem shady. And finally, this is Lincoln from St. Louis, Missouri. What's the best time of day? Everybody say what time? 6:30, hands down. Unless you have a digital clock, you don't get that one. Hey, round of applause. That was a great job. Yeah, I love jokes so much. I want to go to Monsters University to be a professional jokester, just like my Uncle Mikey. He said if you find the right partner, you can do anything. So, I need to practice comedy with a partner. Is there a kid out there like Tuppy? Raise your hand up and wave it around if you're a human kid. You want to help me practice? Okay, we're going to go over here on this side. There's a kid in a white shirt, and they come in with a microphone. Hi, you kid. What's your name?
Evie.
Nice to meet you, Evie. I'm Marty. Hey, Evie, do you know any jokes by any chance?
Yes.
Would you like to tell one?
Sure.
Go for it.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo-hoo.
Don't cry, it's just a joke.
Oh my gosh, I walked right into that one. Give it up for Evie. That was a great joke. Thanks for helping the kid. Hey, Evie, what do you want to be when you grow up?
A physical therapist.
A physical therapist. Wow, that's a stretch. I won't be a stretch for you, boss. Hey, help me with my favorite joke, Evie. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
It's that guy! That guy! Give it up for Evie! Future physical therapist. See you, PT. Bye, everyone. I'm
Okay, let's give the little guy a big hand. Wasn't he great? Okay, look at that. We did it! We did it! Way to go! What do you think of that, Roz?
Well, I guess I have to promote the one responsible.
Oh yeah, what's my new title?
Not you, Wazowski. That guy. Give him a big hand.
Well, that's our show. Thanks for your laughter, and goodbye, humans!
Let's go. I've got paperwork to file.